Okay, palakpakan naman mo natin. Please, si Michelle Ibaran. Okay, right hand. Okay. Okay, ayan. Once again, bigyan ho natin ang masigarong palakpakan si Michelle Ibaran.
Hi, Kuya Jay. Happy 21st birthday. I just want to say that always trust in God and pray to God. And I hope that you will be more successful someday once again on happy 21st.
Ayun, thank you so much, Michelle Ibaran. And now, it's your turn, please. So join us here, Maxine Ella Santos.